Yeah. No.
Okay.
Yeah. Ah, good job, Daddy. All right.
Okay, be right.
Ah!
Hello guys, welcome back to Claude and Jessica living in the Philippines. If you like the 34-second video on my new light bulb changer, all the bulbs are so high you can't get up there and I don't have a ladder. But yeah. Are you trapped in the Philippines or feeling trapped and can't get out of here because you spent too much money? Well, we are actually leaving soon. Only say but so much. But it's easy to spend money here. A friend of mine put this information videos out similar to this. We love it here. I did a video last week on reasons to leave the Philippines, reasons to stay. But like I said, I do love it here. But we're going back. It's easy to spend too much money here because I think the exchange rate 52 point something right now. It went up. It was 47 during the pandemic. So we're saving money. It's easy for you to go broke. We're on fixed income, so we try to be careful. Our monthly expenses, I might as well throw this in here, was $5,697. Our first big bill since we got here. That's for the electric, the lights. I have 2 air cons. I don't actually run the one in the kitchen too much, but it gets extremely hot here, and the bedroom, it runs all night. It's just the way it's going to be. Yeah, I forgot to mention our internet bill was 2,099 pesos. It's not really good service here, but 2,099 pesos for our fake PLDT. And our house here is attached, the blocks to the other one will get separated, so the bill comes, their bill's like 1,000 pesos. My father-in-law is very careful on that, and we actually just purchased solar lights, got the panel outside. Yeah, there's the panel outside being installed, and here's our 8-hour solar light. What's that I put in here? We had light for 8 hours the other day when the brownout happened. And that's pretty cool. So we were able to get a couple more, buy one, get one to my father-in-law. He'll probably never turn on electricity again once you see how good these things are. But let me get away from here, there's music playing. But he's happy about that. Yeah, things are cheaper here, but it's easy to spend money. You can get trapped here, especially if guys are on fixed income. Next thing you know, you're broke. There's tons of videos and tons of expats here living on $500 a month, paying $50 a month for rent. Fortunately, we own our own house. But when inflation in my country, the USA, it's terrible. Gas is up to $4 and change on the East Coast, $7 in California. That's a shame. But I hate the saying it is what it is, because I ain't got to be. But anyways, are you trapped here? Can't leave because you spent your money? Well, I need to go to CDO, but my back, as you know, has been messed up. It was really great yesterday. This morning's bothered me a little bit, but I got to get out and walk. And so many things I probably already mentioned already, but that's okay. The older you get, you can say whatever you want. Who cares what you think? Alright guys, you have a great day. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit the like button, the thumbs up. It really helps the channel. Appreciate you guys. Bye. Oh yeah, and I forgot to mention our water bill was 451 pesos. Oh, the waters actually works here in DCDU. You turn the water off 3 times a day, or it's like $2 a month. But here it's $5-6. Just wanted to throw that in there.